Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you also getting this error code while trying to extract a zip file on Windows? Let's fix that step by step. First, go to your search here and click search for CMD and then run as administrator. First, open the command prompt as administrator. We will run a few built-in repair tools to fix possible corruption. Here you can see you have to use this one at a time. Type these three DISM commands one at a time. This scan for corruption and restore system health. After that, run system file checker with SFC like this and then press enter. This will scan your system and repair broken files. When the scan finishes, restart your system to apply the changes. After that, go to your settings, Windows settings, and go to Windows Update and click check for update here. If there is any update available, just install it. And that's it. This should fix that error which comes when you go to extract zip files. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.